just impressive. China is on a different level.
Today, let's take a look at what tech life is really like in Shenzhen. Come with me. I will mark locations in the video. You are welcome to come and experience it yourself. First stop, drone food delivery. Coffee ready falls from the sky. This is where the drones take off after being loaded. Rain or wind, it doesn't really affect them. They take off and land very smoothly, and the destinations are usually parks. Now we are at Shenzhen Talent Park. I met a lot of foreign friends who came here just to try drone delivery. All you need to do is scan and order on your phone. One thing to note, currently only Chinese phone numbers can place orders. If you don't have one, please ask a local Chinese person to help you. Besides the cost of the food itself, there's a delivery fee of 10 yuan per order. The delivery time is about 15 to 30 minutes. At this park alone, one pickup point can handle over 400 orders a day. I helped a foreign friend order McDonald's. It arrived in 17 minutes. When it's here, you get a phone call. Just enter the last 4 digits of your phone number to pick up your food. Don't forget to put the empty box in the recycling bin. Next, Robert made coffee and ice cream. There's a staff member to help you order and add ice. It costs about 20 to 30 yuan. Would you like to try coffee made by a Robert?
So I think Shenzhen is just one of the most advanced city in the world. I believe you will agree that with me. And then because we've seen online, and then actually I didn't believe that actually I will see what I have seen so far. I'm so impressed. It has the title of the most advanced city in the world. It's everything is AI, everything is electric, so electric vehicles are here are not like innovative things. It's just like a normal stuff I think on daily basis people are using. And so the city is so clean and so organized, and people are nice. Chinese people also, that's my first time. Maybe the stereotypes about Chinese people, that just they're a bit sometimes not really friendly, but actually I have had such a great experience so far. Very friendly, like you, Joycey. So one of them, so he helped me today a lot. Yeah, and then the first question when I asked you was you agreed to help me with what I asked you for. Yeah, just impressive. China is on a different level.
This is a Chinese 3D printing company. Everything on display here is 3D printed. The best thing about it is how simple it is, like using a phone, pick a model, press print, and it supports multicolor printing. No need to change materials manually. You can print colorful figures and toys, even 16 colors at once. The printing cost is very low. A small decoration costs just a few yuan.
还有一个是这种耐紫外线这种直射，所以相对来说，那相对来说它就是强度会比那种飘。
The printed shoes are actually wearable.
打印一双这种鞋大概要多久啊
8个小时。
58个小时。
A 3D printer like this costs about 2,000 to 4,000 yuan. Would you like to buy one? Now, let's take a driverless taxi. I already booked one on my phone.
开始行程。
好的，即将出发，全程请系好安全带。
Honestly, it feels a bit like a ghost is
请
driving.
客服获得帮助。欢迎乘坐小马智行。
正在体验无人驾驶出租车，开得还是挺平稳的。然后它后排也要求必须要系好安全带。
You can control everything by voice or tap the screen to adjust the seat and AC temperature. Now we are going to check out a really futuristic subway station, and you can eat, drink, and have fun here, all in one place.
打卡深圳之眼，好梦幻、好科技感的地铁站。
Shenzhen's subway has business class cars. You pay about 2 to 3 times the normal fare, and you get a completely uncrowded ride. One door away, the regular car is packed. Here it's almost empty. During rush hour, this is so much more comfortable. There's also wireless charging. The blue sky ceiling, maybe it makes your commute a little bit happier. Now, let's look at Huawei's new energy car. This Aito M9 costs about 480,000 yuan for the base model, and the top version goes over 600,000 yuan. The screen shows the battery is 54% charged, and it only takes 30 minutes to fully charge. Inside, there are connected screens and a projector, plus Huawei sound speakers. The all-electric version has a range of 715 kilometers. Its smart driving is very clever. The car has over 40 sensors. This Way V9X is a new car launched in May 2026. It's Great Wall Motors' current top 6-seat model. This car costs 380,000 yuan. You can use both gas and electricity. A 5-minute charge adds about 200 kilometers of range. It has a separate entertainment screen. The seats have multi-point massage, heating, and ventilation. I don't know much about cars, but this brand's multi-purpose vehicles are very popular in China. It looks so elegant and at the same time, it's really practical. Now we are arrived at a bookstore that feels like a time tunnel. The red spiral bookshelf, amazing design. It's also known as Shenzhen's most beautiful bookstore. There's a lounge area where you can get a coffee and read. Many places in Shenzhen have free light shows every night, really stunning and worth seeing. I was too tired that day, so I just watched a fountain light show near the mall. If you don't know where to watch the light show, just let me know in the comments. I will help you find it. Walking through the night streets here, you can really see how tech and daily life just mix together naturally. On one side, you've got the fast pace of technology. On the other, regular people living their lives with heart. Some set up little fortune-telling booths. A few steps away, someone's quietly asking you if you want to give a kitten or a puppy a home. And that delivery guy who rides around the city during the day. At night, he picks up a guitar and sings his dreams right there on the street. This city isn't just about speed and the future, it's also about dreams and the warmth when daily life meets technology.